Hello everyone, welcome back to On to Stay. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's video, I'm gonna guide you through the tutorial video of how to change password on Twitch. So if you wanna know how to change password on Twitch, then this video is for you. Watch till the end to know about it. So to get started, first of all go ahead and tap on the Twitch application, and once you are inside the Twitch, you can see the human icon on the top of the screen on the left side. Click on it and that will take you to this type of interface, which is account settings. Click on the account settings option. Scroll down until you see security and privacy. Click on it and click on the password option. Once you click on password option, you can see you have been taken to this change password option. Then here you can add your current password. You can also forget it and change it. You can see the option forgot your password. You can click on it and reset it. But here we have to change our password. So in order to change the password, add your current password and then the new password you want to add. Once you are done with it, click on done option and your Twitch password will be successfully changed. So this is how easily you can change password on Twitch. If you found the video to be helpful, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates. I'll see you again in next video. Goodbye till then.